Hi friends, happy to see you again. Welcome to Race channel. I am Salim. Today we are going to talk about precautions to be taken during COVID. What precaution we have to take? What is the reason? How to we prevent from COVID? We have to discuss all one by one. Whenever we are diagnosed by the COVID, what the symptoms will be? Coughing, fever, breathing problem. These are the main symptoms. And the new symptoms: loss of smell, loss of appetite. These are the symptoms. How do we take the necessary actions and prevention methods to eradicate this COVID? So far, clinical trials are being conducted to get the vaccine medicine. Until get the medicine, we have to be very careful by doing a few precautions. So methods, what are they? This COVID virus enter into the body by nose, mouth and ears. That's why we have to cover these three things. Mouth and nose covered by mask. If mask is not available, we are carrying the kerchief. In that kerchief we can keep the tissue paper and we can cover the mouth and nose. Eyes we can cover by lens, any transparent spades. And do not give the shake hands and hugs to your near dear ones. Always keep distance from them. 1 to 2 meters distance. Social distance. It's called social distance. How do we in the public, in the office? We have to do COVID-19. The COVID pandemic gives us how to behave, how to do individually. We have to practice. While we are entering, always frequently use sanitizers. Always. Whenever you are going home, whenever going outside from the home, whenever you are entering the home, frequently you can hand wash. Do not touch your hands and fingertips to your mouth, nose and ears, eyes. That is very important. Maintain sanitizers, maintain masks. What is the lifespan of this COVID virus? That is also very important. Kerchief and masks 3 hours. Cupboard 24 hours. Clothes 1 day. Glass 4 days. Stainless steel plastic 7 days. This COVID is spreading very fastly throughout the world. So we have to take care each and every moment. That is mandatory for all. This is not optional, my friends. Mandatory. While we are coming from the office to the home, what precautions you have to take? See, your clothes must be washed on the day itself, and your shoe also must be clean and keep its stand, and it must be avoid from the kids, must be shower, and hand sanitizers and fakes was always maintained. Going out, going in, and frequently hand sanitizers. Face masks, it must be cleaned every day, daily wise. You are sitting, whenever you are in the office, your surroundings must be very careful from one another, at least 1 to 2 meters away from others, and your cupboard must be cleaned by isopropyl alcohol or any other disinfectants. And this COVID mainly spread by droplets and hair. Even the still it's not yet cleared what is the lifespan of the COVID on the hair. Need to drink plenty of water, avoid to contact with others. This all main recommended precautions for every individual throughout the world by World Health Organization. My friends, be careful. Do not contact, do not touch, do not minimize your body exposure to the environment. Wearing full hands, gloves, shoes, pants. Better to avoid shorts while going outside. Maximum or minimum minimize the your body exposure to the environment. That is very 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 important. Every day must be cleaned. Your clothes, gloves, mask, shoe, and your body itself must be cleaned at the end of the day while entering into your home. It is a communicable disease. It is easily spread one another. There is no medicine. There is no vaccine. So how should we be in the public? That is our self responsibility to overcome the disease. My friends, please follow and be health. Thank you, my friends. Thank you so much.